Hey guys, so I am here with a hair video, a really quick wig video featuring sheer luxury tresses, one of our U-part units. This is for our 5-minute sew-in, the quickest sew-in look ever using our U-part. This unit is custom colored. It is a Brazilian body wave hair, and it just has some leftover curls that have been brushed out for a nice wavy look. And my hair is just blown out. I'm not going to braid it down or do anything like to straighten it or anything before I put the unit on. All of our units come with combs for security, and they'll have like a little elastic band or adjustable straps in the back just to make sure it's nice and snug. So all I'm going to do is part my hair where I want it. I want a side part. Your unit can be a middle, right, or left side part. And then I'm going to pull everything back into a quick ponytail. And I'm going to leave out my perimeter, just my edges in the front, so that when the wind blows or if I want to pull the hair back, that my hair will hide the front of the wig or the sides of the wig so it looks super natural. So the first 2 clips, they will snap open and close so that they are super secure. And I'm just going to put them down at the front corner of my hair where it's parted, and then cover it up with my hair just like any regular sewing you would do. Y'all, this is the quickest sewing that you can do yourself. Take it off, shampoo this yourself, co-wash it yourself, let it air dry, and throw it right back on. This is so easy. Anybody can do it. So this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to go online and order your new